Hey y'all, I'm working here on a sunroof that is leaking a little bit, and what you find on these things, on these parts here, they just get a little loose on the fitting, but I found a kind of a good way to fix that. Go down to your local hardware store and you gotta size these little fittings up. They're the little squeeze hose fittings. Got two different sizes. One size is going to go to the small end of this tube, and one size to the bigger side of the tube. Now this tube slides on here, and then it plugs into the drain on your sunroof. But what happens, they get hot and they get cold, and before long they just don't seal at all. So this remedy here works pretty good. I'm going to pause for a minute and then I'll clamp these on and show you what I got. Alright, I've put one on here already. You can kind of see it. It's just one of them squeeze clamp things, and I'll put one on the bigger end too. And when you put it on the big side, you won't have to worry about reaching up in there with your pliers, because it'll kind of closes this up and it'll slide up on over that, and it's kind of got a hose barb type fitting that goes inside. So should seal everything, should keep your leaks from coming back, and you don't have to replace the whole hose this way. I think it's a real good fix. Anyway, I hope it helps you out. Thanks. Just going to show you the inside of this, and I've got the other barb on there. I'm fixing to slip it up on the little output, and let you look at it if you can see inside here. There's a little spout that sticks out. It's kind of hard to see. You can see the spout sticking out there, and I'm just going to reach in there and slip this up over it. It should give you a good tight fit. There's those two little squeeze together hose couplings, and man, I guarantee you it's not going to leak here. It may leak somewhere else, but it's not going to leak here anymore. All right, have a good one.